I can't get money. Yeah, so you'd like us to walk. Oh, you'd have to come early. What? Oh, so that's not fair on you then. Because, like, my dad says, like, if I did go Vicky Pass or whatever, he couldn't. I was like, no, it's okay. I'll just, like, well, he goes, and then I goes, pass some money as well, like, he goes, no. I was like, oh. He is. What? No, I will be in a minute. I can only come out early though. Yeah. I know. I know. Who raps and zombies? Oh no.